The world had progressed, yet amidst a landscape of upheaval, it still relied on archaic symbols and scripts to convey its tales. Hieroglyphic and cuneiform's ancient dance, etched upon clay tablets, stone, and papyrus, bore the weight of knowledge, the voice of trade, and the threads of civilization's chronicles. Yet a transformation was on the rise. The world held its breath, senses attuned to the impending sounds that would soon reshape the very fabric of communication. Hello, and welcome to Impactful Moments, where we explore some of the most, you guessed it, impactful moments in human history. In this video, we will explore the creation of the Phoenician alphabet, a communication system that would forever change the way humanity conveys information. At the crossroads of the Late Bronze Age, approximately 1200 BCE, the Eastern Mediterranean and surrounding regions bore witness to a profound period of transformation. Established empires crumbled, and societies grappled with the upheaval of the Bronze Age collapse. In this era of uncertainty, the Phoenicians stood as an intriguing anomaly. Residing in the coastal regions of modern-day Lebanon, but with numerous trading posts along the coastal Mediterranean, they were not a sprawling or centralized empire like their contemporaries. They were largely viewed as mercantile facilitators, and perhaps, through diplomatic communications or payments, were able to survive a group of marauders collectively known as the Sea Peoples, who devastated many Near East empires. These factors may have allowed the Phoenicians to thrive through the collapse's devastating aftershocks. Their distinct identity was further defined by their prowess as seafarers. Their intimate relationship with the sea facilitated connections with diverse cultures and lands, resulting in a multicultural society that thrived on the exchange of ideas, trade, and knowledge. This confluence of factors accentuated the necessity for a model of communication that transcended linguistic boundaries. It was within this context that the Phoenicians conceived an innovative solution, a script that would unify diverse tongues and foster fluid communication. This innovation manifested as the Phoenician alphabet. A radical departure from preceding systems, the alphabet was a phonetic script comprising 22 consonant symbols. Unlike complex cuneiform and hieroglyphics, the Phoenician alphabet's simplicity lay in its representation of sounds rather than intricate concepts. The deliberate omission of vowels allowed for flexibility, enabling the alphabet to accommodate various languages and dialects encountered during their seafaring expeditions. While specific individuals and precise dates relating to the alphabet's creation have faded into the recesses of history, it is widely believed that Phoenician scholars and scribes collaborated in refining the alphabet's structure somewhere between 1200 and 1100 BCE. By melding adaptability, inclusivity, and simplicity, the Phoenician alphabet transcended its origins, laying the groundwork for future alphabetic systems and forever altering the course of human expression. The emergence of the Phoenician alphabet marked a paradigm shift in the way societies communicated and exchanged ideas. Prior to this innovation, various scripts relied on hundreds or even thousands of intricate symbols to represent a mix of sounds and words, leading to complexity and barriers in communication. The introduction of the Phoenician alphabet, with its streamlined system of just 22 consonant symbols, brought a new era of simplicity and accessibility. Before the Phoenician alphabet's advent, one of the closest precursors was the Sinai inscriptions, or Proto-Sinaitic, Proto-Canaanite writings, which emerged around 1700 BCE. While these inscriptions used sound-based symbols, their limited application to Semitic languages restricted their widespread use. The significance of the Phoenician alphabet extended beyond its technical innovation. The Phoenicians, known for their seafaring prowess, utilized their extensive trade networks to spread this transformative script. The alphabet's versatility and simplicity allowed it to be adapted to various languages and dialects, and as the Phoenician ships navigated the seas, the alphabet spread alongside their goods, becoming a bridge that connected diverse cultures and lands. The widespread dissemination catalyzed the evolution of languages in different parts of the world. From the shores of Europe to the expanses of the Indus Valley and beyond, the Phoenician alphabet acted as a unifying force, enabling societies to communicate effectively and fostering the growth of diverse civilizations. The Phoenician alphabet's revolutionary design forever transformed the landscape of communication. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Phoenician alphabet's legacy is its role as a progenitor of numerous alphabetic systems that followed. The Greek alphabet, which emerged shortly after the Phoenician model and adapted and expanded on the Phoenician characters, can be directly traced to the Phoenician script. The Greek alphabet, in turn, served as the ancestor for the Latin alphabet, the script that underlies many modern languages. The enduring impact of the Phoenician alphabet is evident not only in the evolution of scripts, but also in the profound transformation of culture, knowledge, and human expression. This transformative innovation, characterized by its streamlined simplicity, provided a more powerful and efficient tool for recording history, preserving literature, and disseminating ideas. Its user-friendly design opened the door to literacy for the common populace, empowering a broader segment of society with the ability to read and write. This inclusive shift marked a pivotal moment in human history, democratizing access to information and paving the way for greater social and intellectual progress, such as developments in science, philosophy, art, and governance. Its legacy is visible in every written word, every book, every sign, and every digital communication, enhancing the course of human progression. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us to continue creating captivating, impactful historical content. Thanks for watching.